If you've been following my E30 build, then you will know that we took the dashboard in to get recovered. And so it was now time to install it back in.
Switches there. These are the switches that come in there. So set that now.
So that's the cluster wiring there.
What is this?
VDO, or the instrument cluster.
Cluster. Indicator on the passenger side. This plugs to your harness of the car. There you got your speaker wires here again. And this is for the ABS plug or cruise control. It's one of them. I'll just check that now.
Okay guys, for all you guys who want to do a DIY, thanks to Ritesh, he just took us through the dashboard. I don't think it's that complicated, but definitely you need to get somebody who knows what they're doing. With that said, just gonna ask Ritesh just to take us through his sunroof, how he did it and all, because I'm telling you, this sunroof here just changed this car to a totally different look. Now it looks proper, now it looks like an E30. But when it got here, it didn't look like this. So Ritesh is just gonna take us through.
This was a E30. It didn't have a sunroof, so we sourced the E34 sunroof and we cut it into the E30 roof. We didn't cut it on the pillars. We just used the dimensions for the E34. So we worked according to the E30 dimensions, so we get almost the same look. And we use the underneath tray of the E34. And the underneath bracing of the E34, so there's no damage to the roof itself. We use TIG weld, so there's no warping of the metal. It's still got to be tapped and prepped for final setting. So this is just the rough finish. It's still going to be filed down and set. So we did it this way here. So there's the structure of the car, and the structural integrity of the car is still kept. There's no damage to the body. As BMW set the car, it's still got its structural strength. So yeah, that's why we go with this way of doing things, not cutting the roof on the side here, and then the structural it damages the structure of the car when you do it like. And also the welding also is original. There's no heat to the metal, so there's no damage to the metal when we do it like this over here.
So guys, just want to take you through this car, because as you know, I always tell you guys that when you see an E30 looking nice, colored, sprayed nicely and all, there's a whole lot of work and time that is put into it. And if you see this car as it is now, you'd think, I'd never even go for this. But at the end of the day, once it's done, you'll be amazed at the results. So anyway, this here is the sunroof that has been put on, and this piece is the cutout which came from here. So as you can see, Ritesh cut it very nicely. You will never even say that this thing was not here before. Unfortunately, I did not take pictures, but I'll try and source some pictures for you just to see. But nonetheless, here's how it looks right now. So I was here when everything was being taken out, and just like my car, I know it looks scary, but I think once everything is put back again, should be all right. So what's still to happen here? We're still
preparing the top here, because the sunroof has to line perfect on the top, so they'll be setting up the roof lid. We're going to set the roof lid, and once the roof lid is set, then we're going to file steel.
Yeah.
Take out all the imperfections here, and get it ready for paint. Once that is done, then the roof lining gets put back in, and then we assemble the rest of the car.
Right, guys, hope you got that. So here's how it looks inside. Let's just jump in. Let's jump in. So even inside, right, it looks stock standard original. I mean, once what do you call this, Ritesh? The roof lining. Once the roof lining is back on, you won't even see that there was anything done to this vehicle. And I think that's how it should be done, because I know that most of them, like Ritesh mentioned, I know that they cut over here, over there, on 4 sides. And obviously now that the car kind of, I think, bends in, so I don't know, I wouldn't be comfortable driving a car like that. So guys, yeah, if you are looking to get a sunroof done, just saying, if you're looking to get a sunroof done, I've got the guy for you. Hey, Ritesh.